Adam from CRAYDL here. I'm going to share a story about a project where we saved about $170,000 in rework, but just this one mistake would have been a $40,000 mistake. So here we have examples of the cabinet design that we received from the interior designer. And you can see here is the floor plan layout. And it makes an assumption that is not correct because there is a flanking pantry that goes right here. And the space that they have in here for the cabinet that would be housing the oven and the cabinet that would be housing the fridge here and here respectively, there wasn't enough space with what was actually modeled. So I'll show you what we actually gave to the interior designer, which is this. And the problem was that they were going to be doing a oven range here and then decided to do a double oven here and just thought that they could create an additional 5 inches where it didn't exist. And so by catching this early, by taking the actual shop drawings and putting them in the model, we were able to show that there wasn't enough room here, and we were able to push that pantry out before all the plans were done and the engineering was done. More importantly, and if we look at the model of what the finished product is supposed to look like, we also had to do some extra spacing to make sure that oven doors weren't going to hit handles when it opened up. And we made sure that we had proper filler panels in there. Typically, this would not have been discovered until the appliances and or the cabinet showed up to the job site. This would have already been framed and we would have had systems in there and drywall. And now the builder would have figured out that they didn't have enough room to fit those cabinets and those appliances in there. The only solution would have been to tear that down and rebuild it, which would have been, according to the builder, in the neighborhood of $30,000 to $40,000. So just in that one example, we found 5 inches that were really, really critical to proper execution of the project.